This is a masterclass on how to bake coconut bread. I will advise you watch to the end and ask me any question regarding this video. Hello, creative bangers. Let's do this together. All right. I'll be using fresh coconut. All right. I will add that into the blender and I'm going to blend with 2 cups of warm water. Once that is done, go ahead and transfer into a cheese or chiffon cloth and extract the milk. And there you have the milk and the shaft. Please don't throw that away. We are going to be making use of it. Stay tuned to this channel. We are going to make use of the remaining ones in the future. Okay, now I'm going to measure the quantity of the milk that I'll be using for this bread. Now let's begin. Instant yeast in a bowl, sugar, and the freshly squeezed coconut milk. Remember that milk is warm because we are making use of yeast. Okay, mix to combine very well. Now I'm moving with 1 beaten egg. I am going to add butterscotch. If at all you want to add extra flavor, just like I did, don't add vanilla. Go for butterscotch. Okay, now mix to combine very well. It is time to move in with the flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. All right, once that is done, I am going to move in with some salt, then set it aside. Remember the shaft, the coconut flakes, we are going to be using it. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. Now please don't add more than 2 tablespoons. If you are using this same measurement with me, you can add 1 or 2. Please don't add more than that. Start mixing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to our masterclass. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, now I transfer the dough to the work surface. You can add either butter or margarine. Creative bangers, please take your time and knead this properly if you are not using a mixer. Okay, knead till you form a very stretchy smooth dough, just like what you are looking at. Transfer back into the mixing bowl. We are going to cover and keep anywhere warm around your home till it doubles in size. Okay, 40 minutes later, voila, it has tripled in size. Look at that, very fluffy. Okay, now we are going to take out the air and transfer back to the work surface. I'm going to knead for a few seconds. Okay, this is just to take out the air. Once that is done, I am going to cut into pieces. Now this is the method that I'm going for. Okay, you can go for any method that you wish. This is a family size bread, so I'm going for a method that everybody will have just 1 piece. Now once that is done, pick up one of the pieces and start forming a ball with each of them as demonstrated. Shout out to you, Unity, watching from Nigeria, Gloria from Ghana, Yulia from Uganda, Zora watching from South Africa, and Janice all the way from Jamaica. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay, all right, like I mentioned earlier, you are going to form a ball with each of them. Once you are done, or as you form the ball, transfer into your well-greased baking pan immediately. That is after molding each of the ball. Transfer immediately into your well-greased baking pan. We are going to cover and allow to prove again for the second time. 40 minutes later again, it has doubled in size for the second time again. And all of them has come together as one family. Okay, now you can bake just the way it is, or you can brush with a beaten egg mixed with the fresh coconut milk, as you can see on this video. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Now I top up with some grated coconut flakes again, just to give it more appetizing look. It is time to bake. Look at that. It is looking so good. Bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes, and there you have it. Look at that. Creative bangers, we are done. Look at that. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Oh my word, creative bangers. It turned out so well. It tasted so good. The coconut flavor. You need to give it a try. I'm sure with this method, you can bake a perfect family-sized bread at the very comfort of your home. So go ahead and marry with your loved ones. Remember, homemade is better than junk. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.